Hey there, Tim and Eric Toolman back at you. So today I'm pretty excited to have two new tools from Holstery.com. These just came out and they're super innovative, super creative. I really think they hit the nail on the head with these, and I wanted to show them to you, so stick around. If you have any questions or comments, put them down there in the comment section. So this is introducing the LowBoy from Holstery.com, and this is the single wide. They're calling this the single wide mod slot panel. I really think this is a great idea. What they've done here is they've made this holder. So this is the single and the double wide holsters. So what these do is these help you position your tools in that sweet spot down where when you extend your arm down to your side, your hand is literally almost right in the tool pouch, which is a
very shagadelic, baby. Yeah,
pretty creative idea. And I did pay for these with my own money. I just got these in, so I haven't had a chance to use them at work. This is the single wide right here, and this has, you can put two holsters on here, and what I'm calling holsters is, for example, this is the Magmaster. You can see that. That's the Magmaster, and this is a super strong magnet. If you've seen, I can link my other video to this. And what you do is you put it in these slots, and then you put it in these slots, and then since this is brand new, it's going to be a little more fun to get in there. So what you do, you put that in there and pull it back up a little bit, and so now I have the Magmaster on there, and basically it uses up these little slots, and it does have a really nice material on the back here. This material is like really soft, and then this metal clip is super strong, and it does fit belts up to 1 3/4 of an inch. So if you have a belt that's 1 3/4 of an inch or smaller, it'll fit in there, and you just lock it in. Super strong, belt clip on there. You can take these off and replace them if you had to, but they give you guarantee, so I don't think you'll have to really worry about that. The original clips that were plastic, so when they came out with these metal clips, it was a lot better. And then, like I said, this is really soft material on the inside, and what this does is basically it allows you to drop your tools down, like I said, into the sweet spot, which is pretty cool. I mean, I haven't seen anything else like this. If you're wearing a coat or a hoodie or something, you don't have to worry about your tools getting up underneath the coat and reaching them. So like I said, when you extend your hand down there, this one here measures. Now when I first saw these, I thought I thought they were a lot bigger than this. And they're actually really decent size. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the top of this clip all the way down to the bottom. Give you a better idea how long it is completely. So it's 9 inches long from top to bottom, if you can see that. And then side to side, it's 2.5 inches. So it's a pretty decent size. And then the bigger one is, let's see here, 6.5 inches wide by, it's probably about the same, 9 inches. So 6.5 by 9 inches, 2.5. I think that was 2.5. I'm sorry, 3.5. I read that wrong. My 3 is mixed up on my deal, so it's 3.5 inches. So this is the Driver Master, and I went ahead and put this on here, and I think if you couldn't really put the Driver Master up here because you hang your drill on it, your impact. So I would probably put it on the bottom, and then you could put like a joey pouch right next to that. Take a little bit of doing to get the clip on there. There it goes. So you could literally have your drill hanging on this with your joey pouch right next to it, and then you cinch this up when you got your screws got your screws or nails or whatever you're using. So there's pretty much limitless ideas that you can do with this. I think that's really great. I mean, my personal favorite is the double, because I think if you're gonna wear something like this, you might want to have all the room you can, and then pretty much you can still, like they say, work light and fast. Get a couple of mag masters on there. So I really like the idea of this double, to have the double setup. I do like the single. If you're, I guess if you're doing just a small job, you can put a joey pouch on the bottom and put one of the mag masters on top. I'll probably go ahead and get a couple more joey pouches and set one up on here, put a joey pouch on the bottom and another mag master on top, and have it set up for something else. And to do this video, I was actually looking for my square master, because I was going to put my square master on here on the double wide, and then have a joey pouch. I was going to have a joey pouch right next to it, which is pretty cool. So, but I'd say it's around here somewhere. I've probably got it in with contractor tools.
Hey, this is Josh from Holstery, here to talk about the new double wide and single wide LowBoy holsters. LowBoys give you a way to get your favorite Holstery holsters down below the belt. Instead of having all your tools up on the belt level, where they might be under your jacket or under your shirt sometimes, now you can drop them down and get to them a little bit lower at hand height.
Makes it easier when you're wearing a jacket or something.
We've got a Joey Pro on the bottom, and then up top we've got a driver master, which works also for a tape measure. Clips on your belt, real quick and easy. It also means that I can pull this off really quickly. This thing just goes right like that. Hang it on your wally or on your front seat or wherever it goes. It's got all my tools in it, and it's ready to rock. On the back, there's a mesh backing. This is a spacer mesh like on the back of your backpack. Keeps your hip or your leg from getting all sweaty and gross. We went with our Pro clips. That's our aluminum anodized backer. And
just a really great, really great idea.
Here's another example loadout. I really like these double wides. This gives you a lot of real estate. Up to 4 holsters or pouches. It's a lot of tools on one attachment point. So here it is on my belt.
Got screws on the mag master. Pretty awesome.
Test.
Gonna do a drop test. See what he's gonna do now.
Sketchy.
Oh boy.
You know I can, dude.
Uh-oh. What's he gonna do here? Guess he's giving it a test there. Pretty awesome. I think there's a little blooper. I hope he doesn't get hit coming back across the street.
Made it.
Super company. Even better people. That's pretty awesome.
Okay, that was cool.
So I hope you liked that video. I think Holstery is just a fantastic company, and you know, I like a lot of tough built stuff, but I also like the Holstery stuff a lot. I did start a Holstery Facebook page, so I started the Holstery Tool fan page, and at the time I took this picture, we only had like 7 members. So I guess I better make it. Well, it's a private group, so. It's a Holstery Tool fan page, brand new page. If you want to talk about Holstery tools, I'll also post some videos on there. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim the Air Toolman back at you.
I'll be back.